ちらお待たせいたしました。
It's amazing every time. Kind of like when you haven't had In-N-Out in a while. This kind of the exact same feeling I have with Ichiran. What's up, everyone from Tokyo? Today I'll be having Ichiran, which is the most iconic tonkotsu ramen shop in the world. And I'm really excited because it's been a while. If you're new to this channel, my name is Max and I make food content here in Japan. So consider subscribing. All right, let's get started. Alright, this is the menu. Pretty small menu, it's kind of like In-N-Out, there's only limited choices. So I'm just gonna get with the original. And the egg. That looks pretty good for now, and you can order later if you need some refill for the noodles. Alright, let's pay. These are the tickets. Alright, it's a small cubicle here. As you can see, it's super isolated. And everybody has their own booth. You can customize your order here. And the dashi, the richness, the garlic, and the green onion, the chashu, the spiciness level, and also how firm you want the noodles. Alright. I usually go medium. Let's go 1 clove here for the garlic. And actually for the onion, you can get both white and green onion. Of course with the chashu. And I'll go medium spicy. And I like my noodles firm. Alright. Click on this. Put your order out here.
はい、失礼いたします。お待ちください。失礼いたします。
こちらお待たせいたしました。
ございます。
それでは失礼いたします。
Oh, look at this. Let's crack this egg. Let's split this in half. Ooh, look at how perfectly cooked that is. Soft-boiled egg. Alright, this is what the experience looks like. Just you and the ramen right here. One-on-one date right here. Oh, there's also a water spigot here. Super nice and convenient. And your chopsticks here. Alright, let's try that soup broth. Tonkotsu pork bone broth. Here we go. Oh, this never gets old. It's been a while since I had this, but it's amazing every time. Kind of like when you haven't had In-N-Out in a while. This kind of the exact same feeling I have with Ichiran. Now, let's have some of the noodle before mixing in that red chili sauce. Here we go. So good. Kind of like it like firm because it's kind of has like that al dente type of texture. All right. Now let's mix in that red chili paste here. All right, let's try the soup with that chili paste. Oh, definitely has a kick. Medium spiciness. I think for most people they can handle it, but it is a little bit spicy. Alright, let's try the chashu. It's actually thin slice actually. It's not too thick. Here we go, let's try the chashu. Actually, it's like very tender, melt in your mouth. It's actually very, very good. But I do prefer the thicker slices, but like that is melt in your mouth chashu. The soup is just so comforting and kind of like clean tasting, but very creamy and buttery. Let's try the egg. With the soup. Complements each other so well. And actually, while I eat this, I kind of want to talk about how Ichiran started. It started in 1960 in Hakata, which is the southern region of Japan. And actually, that's where my bloodline is from, the southern region. So maybe I love Tonkotsu Ramen so much. But yeah, it started in 1960 as like a ramen stall. So it's kind of like a street food type style stall. And then in 1993, a guy named Manabu Yoshitomi made this kind of concept style restaurant of Ichiran. So he's actually not the original founder of Ichiran, but for this style, this booth style, he's the first one to make it. Manabu Yoshitomi, in college, he was a part-time chef at a restaurant, and that restaurant that he worked at, the owner was a gambler, so he had the kitchen kind of hidden from the customers so that the owner could gamble without the customers noticing. So there was one day a returning customer would come and get the ramen there, and he would eat it while the owner was there, and he said it was amazing. The second time around, the owner left, and the returning customer noticed that Manabu Yoshitomi was the one making the ramen, or he made the ramen. He wasn't that impressed about the ramen. So the third time around, Manabu Yoshitomi was there at the restaurant by himself again, while the owner was gambling, and that same customer ordered ramen. So Manabu Yoshitomi told the customer that the owner made it this time around, and the customer said, "Oh yeah, the owner is the best chef." So that's when Manabu Yoshitomi realized that it's not so much how the food tastes, but it's based on the perception of the person who made it. So that's why it's kind of like this, it's closed off. You don't know who made it. Here, really closed off, and you don't even know the faces of the people. So that's kind of the backstory behind this booth style and how you can't even see the kitchen. Also, what they say is the partitions make this a better dining experience in terms of like the food taste, because that's all you focus on. Yeah, they might have a point there. Which kind of makes you think, because you don't talk to people, even your family members, you're kind of dining in and out. Literally, people are just in and out of here. After you eat it, they leave right away. So if you're a capitalist, a restaurateur, that's actually very smart because you're maximizing the profits. Don't get me wrong, this ramen is very, very delicious. This soup, apparently only 4 people in the world know how to make it. It really has like an addictive taste. I could eat this every week. They got so popular in Japan. They have locations in New York, Hong Kong, and Taiwan now, I believe. And they're probably gonna expand a little more, I'm guessing. All right, I'm gonna get a refill on the noodles. All right, they have these sheets for refills. So let's fill it out. I'm just gonna go the half. And let's go firm again. Hi.
こちらありがとうございます。こちらが150円でございます。
はい。
失礼いたします。ご頂戴いたします。それでは少々お待ちくださいませ。失礼いたします。
It's like the perfect place for introverts. They have these tags here. It says, I'm leaving. I guess you just leave it here so that the workers know. What is this? I don't know the ordering process. It's noisy. And got like a kid's bowl and utensils. You literally do not need to talk to the workers.
お待たせいたしました。失礼いたします。
I don't think the original noodle portion is that much, so you're probably gonna have to get kaidama, which is the noodle refill. All right, here we go. I think if there's one place to get ramen in Japan, I think Ichiran is a must. You have to have it at least once. All right, that was Ichiran, a very, very good bowl of ramen. It's always a very enjoyable food experience there. A little awkward filming there because everybody's kind of quiet. Everything was good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm about to head home. If you like this video, please like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video.